The cryptocurrency market is currently in a downturn spiral and we don't know where it's gonna go. Can it go to 55k? Can it go to 50k? Can it go to that 48k number that a lot of these bears are talking about? In today's video, I'm gonna be discussing what I think is going on with the crypto market. We just went through the Bitcoin halving and now we're in a brand new cycle where we either go up or we go down depending on how things go. You have to watch this video to the very end because there's gonna be so much hidden value here. I'm gonna be telling you what coins I'm buying. I'm gonna be telling you what narratives I'm looking at, and I'm also going to be going through a lot of technical analysis and things that have happened in the past to help us figure out what's going to happen in the future. As it stands, Bitcoin is currently sitting at 57,000 and dumping. Yes, we could go up to 60k in a blink of an eye, but we could also see that 55k number, that 50k number that is very scary for a lot of you depending on what positions you're in. I've said it before and I'm going to say it again. I am a long-term crypto trader, meaning 6 to 12 months hold on narratives that I believe in and in coins that I believe in. The fact that Bitcoin's at 57k does not scare me at all. A lot of these altcoins that we're going to be looking at are down 50%, 60%, and some of them even 56% this past month alone, giving us some insane buying opportunities that we did not have. And a lot of people were considering of buying these coins that are now down 50% for 3 times the price not that long ago.
57k bit.
I'm making a video as we're speaking. Say hello to YouTube.
Oh no, what's good?
So this is 7-figure trader. Just call me while I'm making the video. Why do you think Bitcoin's at 57k?
It's blood in the streets, man.
Are we gonna buy?
Oh, such an easy buy, such an easy buy.
Okay, if you had to give out 3 coins, what coins are you giving out?
My God.
But before we hop into the technical analysis and what coins I am looking at, make sure to join the Discord. I'll leave the link in the bio. Everything there is complete for free. I don't charge for a thing. That's where I tell you guys what coins I'm buying the exact moment it happens, so you never miss out the next time we buy an 100x. As I mentioned previously, Bitcoin is at 57,000 and we have gone down 16% this past month, which does not sound like that much of a bad news considering that only 16%. It's really not that much considering crypto, but trust me, crypto Twitter is freaking out. The crypto communities are freaking out. And the reason that they're freaking out is because they're in these altcoins that are not good, did not complete their promises. So those altcoins are down 50%. That's why they feel like the half of their money has disappeared, when in reality, we're only down 16% on Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin halving just happened, so it's pretty expected. If we open up the charts here, as you can see here, it does kind of look like we have done some sort of detrimental crash, but really taking a look into it, it's not that bad. All right, so as all of you guys obviously know, we have been riding this bull run all the way up, and the biggest wick that we had in the upside was around 74k. And if we compare that to where we are today, where crypto Twitter's freaking out, where all the crypto communities are freaking out on Bitcoin, it's really only around a 23% dump. And for a lot of you guys, it looks like it's the end of the world. You guys are considering this bull run over. You guys are considering all your altcoins to be bad. Should you start selling now if you still have some sort of profit? That really depends on who you are. Inside the Discord, I always talk about this. You guys send me coins and you tell me, hey, is this good? And I simply tell you, this is not the type of coins that I'm into, and this is not the type of crypto investments that I'm currently into. I understand that a lot of you guys do not have $10,000 even to your name, so you do have to catch these 1000x's. You do have to catch these 100x's at least once to make some sort of real money, and that's simply just not the problem for every trader. So for me, I don't really consider crypto to be my absolute hop-in trade every day. BTC layer 2s is something that I want to hop into. Stocks, I think, is down like 50% this last week. These are all coins that when I get the opportunity to buy them, Solana, Ethereum, even, I have it tattooed on me because every time it goes down, I buy some. So for me personally, I'm not scared at all. I normally keep 50% of my money in crypto, 50% of my money in either Tether or USDC. And because of that, I'm always able to buy these nice opportunities. So we're going to be going through some coins that I'm currently looking at these nice prices that I'm going to buy today, that maybe you guys want to buy also to be able to make some profits if we do end up going back in the upside. So with all that into consideration, these are some coins that I'm currently looking at. Also, if you guys want to know how sometimes I find the best deals, it is so simple and it has worked many times over in the 2017 bull run, the 2020 bull run, and it has already worked in this 2024 bull run. Go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or one of the big exchanges, and all you have to do is click the 30% change and switch it to the downside. Here you're gonna see all the coins that have gone down the most in the past 30 days. Now, what I personally do is I have a list of coins in my head that I personally want to get into. I don't buy them until they're in this list for 90% of these coins, unless I really believe in the coin. But if not, I'm getting a lot of my positions in when these prices are in. So as you can see here, Aptos is a coin that I've always wanted to get into. And what is a better position than now? It's down 48% in this past 30 days. I know 99% of you guys know what Jupiter Exchange is because you guys use it every day to trade all the shit coins. This is basically the Uniswap of last bull run, but now all the shitcoin meme coins are happening in Solana. The Jupiter Exchange gets so much of the volume of shitcoins. Why is it down 45%? Because Bitcoin's down 16%. That's why. So if you ever were considering getting some Jupiter like I have, now it's the time. It's down 45% this past 30 days. I just mentioned Uniswap. Uniswap, as you can see here, is also down 43%. These are all good buys. If you're catching a coin that you actually wanted to get into for 40% negative and you're able to hold like me for 6 to 12 months, you're fine if you're in a bull run, not in a bear market. I talked about it already. Stacks, as you can see here, it's down 40% this past 30 days. This is a crazy good deal. If you want to buy any coin as a Bitcoin layer 2, you need some sort of stacks. I popped out a tweet about this. WIF was down, I think it was down like 50 or 40% when I sent it out, but look, Dog with the Hat is still down 40%. You guys kept on asking me in the comments when I was making these meme coin videos and in the Discord, all of you guys, when you guys asked me about meme coin videos, every single one of you guys was asking about Dog with the Hat. You guys kept on telling me, is it a good buy? Is it not a good buy? What should we do? And I always said the price was crazy inflated. It made sense because the volume was there and the people was there. But if I was you, I would personally buy in a red day. What is a better red day than today when Dog with the Hat is down 40% in these past 30 days? This is what you have to be doing to get into good positions if you're able to trade like I do. Now, if you want to trade, buy a coin in a 100x tomorrow, go follow a Twitter shill that's probably paid 90% of his posts. Like I said, I don't get any paid promo. I don't do paid shit. I'm telling you what I am doing, and I've succeeded in seeing bear markets since 2017. Something that I also want to take a look at is the fear and greed index. By the way, in my opinion, the fear and greed index is a lagging indicator. In my actual humble opinion, I wouldn't say we're at 52 neutral. I would say we're more at like 48 to 45 greed. Every time that coin market cap ever says that we're at greed or that we're at neutral, it's normally a good buy. A lot of you guys do end up buying the top because it's just what it is. It's what happens. A lot of you guys, this is the first time buying crypto, or you guys just simply don't know. No, you guys end up buying the top. But trust me guys, if you guys are scared, I understand. A lot of your portfolios are down 50% this past 7 days. If I just got into an investment and my portfolio was down 50% this past 7 days, I would probably also be freaking out. But welcome to crypto. It is what it is. I am not afraid at all. This doesn't scare me at all. So those are some coins that I'm currently looking into. Something that crypto Twitter has also been freaking out about is the Ichimoku cloud. From now on, I'm just gonna call it the cloud because I'm not about to say Ichimoku a million times. I don't know why people really care about technical analysis, because for me, crypto is very, very simple. It comes in waves. It comes and goes. There's bull markets, there's bear markets, and there's opportunities to be had everywhere in crypto. Even if you like Solana, even if you like ETH, even if you like BNB, if you're a Bitcoin maximalist, everyone makes money in a bull market. It's what it is. So people are always freaking out. But this is one of the technical analysis that I have seen. And yeah, I guess it is true. Every single time that we have broken the cloud under in a bull market, we tend to have a crazy good leg up. As you guys can see here, the last time that we broke the cloud was actually right before we had this crazy little bull run that we had this past month or two. It was January 24th. So 4 months ago now, that was the last time that we broke it. And from there, we ended up having one of the most delicious 2 to 3 months in crypto. That's where we saw all these meme coins explode. That's where we saw your portfolios 300x, regardless of everything that happened. And if we go even more back and we see the first time that we broke it, it was another explosion that we had right after it. And again, guys, I just want to make this very clear. I am not very into technical analysis. Like I said, my objective with crypto is very simple. I know when we are in a bull market. I know when we are in a bear market. It is a very simple thing that you can tell. And if you guys don't know how to tell if we're in a bull market or a bear market, go to the Bitcoin chart and type the previous 1 year, type the previous 4 years, and you'll be able to tell very easily, even if you don't know how to read charts, if we're in a bull or a bear. I don't really believe in technical analysis too much, but this is something that I did want to take into consideration and at least give you a look at. Most of the times where we break this cloud, we tend to have a crazy good leg up. So in my opinion, should we sell crypto? No, I'm not selling. And like I said, it depends on who you are, what type of investor you are. And again, guys, if you guys want to know what I'm truly buying and how my portfolio looks, make sure to join the Discord, link in the bio. The last time that I sent out one of my official plays, completely for free, by the way, was Bonk, and it was around 14 cents. And then it ended up running up to 30 cents, giving basically all of us a 2x in the matter of 4 days. So make sure you're in the Discord. I'll see you in there. We'll talk. Everything is completely for free. Besides that, leave a comment, like the video. Let me know what you guys thought about this. Follow me on Twitter. And until the next one, I'll see you. Peace out.